Okay, welcome back, everybody. A little check of your weather forecast now. We've got sunlight out there for about 20 more minutes, maybe just shy of that is our sunset. 6:35, 6:36, I believe. So the sun's rays, they're getting lower and lower on the horizon. They didn't really help us out a whole lot today, comparatively speaking, to yesterday when it hit 50 degrees in Grand Rapids. All we got to today was 36. And yes, there were some clouds around through the first 2 or 3 hours, but really the clouds weren't firm overcast. So it's mainly just the really chilly atmosphere that has been holding us down more than anything. Blue skies, though, for everybody at this point, and I do think that that's going to be the dominant sky condition for tomorrow and Friday, tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday as well. So no big systems are going to be arriving. There's no concerns through the weekend as far as any rain or snow, thunder, winds, really. Just a pretty tranquil type of a regime that we've got in place. And it's not going to be changing a whole lot. So it was mid-30s today. Tomorrow, I think we gain a few degrees. We're probably around 40, 41, maybe 42. And then perhaps even goes a little bit cooler again by a couple degrees for Saturday and Sunday. Staying chilly through Sunday, yes, but it's thereafter. Really overnight Sunday into Monday morning is when the real mild air translates in aloft. And then when we get some sunshine on Monday, that's going to bring that energy down to the surface. And it's going to mean 50s. Now, I've got 60s with an S next to it. We're probably not going to be plowing into the 60s, but there's a chance Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday and Wednesday would be the best opportunity to get to 60 plus. Thursday, there's some chance. It remains to be seen when this cold front is going to come through, and hinging on the movement of low pressure, where exactly that low forms and where the front is going to be will really have implications on our rain forecast as well. Right now, it looks like there is going to be a chance for showers around on Wednesday, but that could actually hold off until later Wednesday into Thursday more so. So we'll see how it goes as we move along. Notice that the ramping up takes until Monday into Tuesday, but once we get there, I mean, this certainly will be the mildest air of the season thus far for an extended period of time on the order of 3 to 4 days versus, yes, it got to 60 last Sunday in some spots south and east of GR, but it went away quickly because we followed that up with a high on Monday in the lower 30s. Right now, it's the lower 30s for a lot of us. This big bulge of mild/warm air out in the central states. It's not far away, but it's really not going to be working in here real soon because, as I've been talking about on these weathercasts, there's a big low pressure center in the upper levels over Quebec, and it continues to spiral down some cool air on its backhand side. And unfortunately, we are on that westernmost side of that system. Though we're not right underneath the coldest of the air, we're in close enough proximity to it that we're chilly enough and keeping these highs in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees right on through Saturday and Sunday. Widening the scope, you'll notice that there's two branches of the jet stream. This is a polar jet off to the north, the more of the subtropical jet, if we want to call it that, down to the south. Kind of a split jet stream at this point, but the system over Colorado is going to be sliding to our south. And then actually out right along the western coast of Alaska, you see some clouds. That'll be the weather system that eventually does come in here by the middle of next week. So you see how these weather systems move across the globe. Up in Alaska is what's going to affect us next Wednesday into Thursday. But before it does, warm air coming in. Annie and Doug, temps around 60.
All right, thank you for that, Anthony. We have waited a long time to see that on our 7-day. Well, the city of Grand Rapids